Hey guys, welcome back to Simply at Home. Today I've come to my to-go place where I buy all my pots and stuff. I'm just showing some of the things that you get here. Why do I prefer coming in person is you get to see a variety of stuff. You get a fair understanding as to what you want as far as your compost bin is concerned. So these are small toolkits. So after that, you either buy from here or you want to pick it up from online. Is up to you. So if you see here, this is vermicompost. It's very similar to the composting process that we do, just that you put some worms here being, man's friend, the earthworm in your compost bin, and the worm casting that comes out helps in making, your soil rich and fertile. So these are things that you get out here, and I'm pausing it right now to go outside. You get such cute ceramic stuff for potting purposes. Okay, welcome outside. These are some hanging ideas, but these are all plastic, and here comes my space of earthen stuff. The what do you call that, concrete or the cement based ones, where I said a lot of people, these guys have just kept it, but many places they actually paint it like this and it'll look like it's fresh. So this is good enough as well if you already have this. Now that is the area that I go to. They have some few spare, which is something that doesn't go well, and the reason why I pick up something like this is it's got the tummy effect, which will fill up some more of my compost. So I'm going to ask them to retrieve that for me. So when we come in person, we get a fair idea, and these kind of stuff I prefer to buy in person than placing an order online. You can always pick up stuff like these, which is hanging, which is plastic in nature. And let's come to this cocoa pit. These are different ideas that you get. Again, if you have a lot of coconuts at home, like the other video that I had done, the base of the coconut, even if you don't have it with the shell, you can use that as a part of your manure. It'll retain moisture. The entire idea is to retain moisture. What I like about here, we get good ideas. That's nice rich soil with bioenzyme, and when they mean by bioenzyme, this will have cow dung. These are huge heaps here, which they mix. So that's what we will do from our compost bin also. We will have to do a mixture of soil and a mixture of our compost. Now let me take you inside to another inside spot where it'll give fair idea on different things, but these have no for potting purposes, and these have holes in them, which you can see. So as I said, you can make your own from any paint, extra bins or whatever. Otherwise you'll be landing up paying, I guess, $7.50, or plastics are equally expensive, but they look cute with the colors and all. And I guess these are also vermicompost. Alright, see you back home. There's one more thing I want to share. Is this. Can you see these? These are stuff which you get online also, and I bought them. The only disadvantage is if you keep pouring water, there's just one hole and doesn't breathe. Alright, saying that, signing off. This is Ramya. Let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.